Hello Nourishers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super happy. I'm happy to be shooting this video because for long I've waited to shoot this video. So let's not talk too much. Let's get right into the video. So whenever you see me outside, this is what it takes for Nora to look that way. This is my easiest, simplest makeup for the day. So just come with me to see the trick, to just see the little things I do. It won't take long. My everyday makeup. So the first thing I need to do, if it's been a while I've had my bath, like if I've been at home since I want to go out and I don't feel like bathing again, the first thing I do, I pick your wipe, then you put in
your cleanser,
because they've not paid me for adverts, so I don't want to show their name. Not too much, you just dry. You see, I do this in circular motion, not too much. Circular motion. It's not that dirty, but I just have to clean the show. Ouch! The product is too much. Don't add too much like me. Ouch! So in such case, just reduce or you double the wipe so that it will not be too much. I'm allowed to dry. I'm done cleaning my face. I always like extending to my neck. Sorry, it's too much. So see, everything is okay, babe. Yes. So I'm done with the cleansing of the face. I'm done cleansing my face. The only thing you need to do is to allow it dry. I don't want to be standing up and down because my fan is facing the other side. So after you feel your face is dry enough, you just apply a bit of moisturizer. I always like putting here first, so I don't put too much product on my face. Just pick a little. It really works a lot. A circular motion to moisturize the face. Don't want to have dried skin under your makeup. You see how little products works a lot. See me already shining. I recommend moisturizers a lot. I recommend moisturizers. So upward, my people, don't forget upward. You want to slap your skin down. Once you feel your face is dried enough, you go to the next. Eye pencil straight. If you take notes, my eyebrows are already clean. I did not shave today, but I usually shave. Don't worry, I'll take you through the journey of how I shave my eyebrow from time to time. Ensure it is this sharp, pencil sharp, to allow you, be able to. Using my mirror, using this, first thing I do is before then, spoolie. Just this very fast. Do my easy way. See? I'm already getting there. Simple. It's all about knowing your face and practice makes perfect. Within how many minutes? It doesn't take long. Once you are used to it, you check to make sure everything equals. Yeah, we're not perfect, so we hardly get too perfect, but at least they can near perfection. They should be near each other. Their imperfection should be together. You understand? This is my easy, sharp makeup. I don't have time to waste. I have to look this good. I have to look good without taking too much time. So this is it. Just brush over. See? You look quite equal. Not too much, right? So just watch. Then my angle brush helps me a lot. it's not too clean. I use it last, I did not get to wash it, so there's still little product, so I just do like this with my hand. I don't have time most times like this. After I'm the only one using it, so I don't even mind. I don't always wash it every day. If I was using it for other people, then take a little. Again, my concealer, I don't want to show you the concealer I'm using. Just put a little, just a little bit. Don't put too much product too, and get a shade a bit lighter than you. So I have a little product here. This angle brush, depending on the angle you want to. Let me start with this. So just take a little. I hope you can see me well. Just take a little bit of product. Don't like starting from the, so I don't want that harsh line. So you see what I did. Let it not be too harsh. You see? How do you see? It's already looking defined, right? Then I do one after the other. I don't do it together so that it doesn't get dried before. Then see blending brush, my blending brush. So this blending brush, quickly use it. I don't like doing one after the other so that it won't get dried before I come back to. So if I'm doing a professional makeup, today I'm going out for event, occasion, I used to line, using concealer, line my lower and upper brow. But whenever on my day, my normal day today, like makeup, when I'm doing fast, I don't do the top part, I just do the down. So you see, take products, you have this here. Again, don't start from the beginning, just so your product doesn't become, see. Cool. So when you start, initially your hand will be shaky. Don't mind the way I see my hand going. It's not as if that's how it will be for you when you start. So sometimes it will not be this straight for you. So long. It's all normal. Practice makes perfect, right? Again, we're doing this, so just take a blending brush. Making sense now, right? How do you see it? It's blending already, yeah. So you don't want to have harsh lines. You don't want any harsh lines, so just make sure you try. Then if there are no harsh lines, you can use your spoolie. You just touch the blending brush that you used in blending, just to touch, just so it doesn't have a defined beginning. This is it. See why I can easily show up prepared. It's not as if I always have it planned out. I have my eyeliner here. You can decide to use this eyeliner. I have this, it was gifted me. Or since Nora loves makeup and have this at home, what can you that don't have it at home use? I always use my black eye pencil. My black eye pencil, you see, is already short because I always use it. But since I have this, I'm using this today. It makes the lining super easy. So you just need to put, it also has angle. If you take note, it has angle. So you just take, not too much. Remember, products, you don't use product too much. So depending on the angle you're starting with, reduce the product. Let's start with this angle, for instance. See? I love making sure my hair does not interfere with it. So beginning, not from beginning. See? It's like little or nothing. It won't even show that I put anything. It won't even show. See? Why is it not sticking today? Is it because I'm showing you everything? I think I'll add here. See, it gives the eye that heaviness because of my kind of eyes. We're already getting set. I'm already looking good, right? And if you have mascara, you use. It's not every day I use mascara, but today let's decide to use mascara. Still looking good already. So why allow your mascara to dry? Your lips is there. So the same brown, number 18. It's not too bright, so I would have shown you, but it's number 18 I use because of my shade. Then so far my favorite lipstick, I have to show the name. So far, Prestige lately have been my best nude. Prestige, I've been using it for a while now. It's just that softness it gives your lips. I love it. This review is for free. Then, of course, I have my lip gloss. Again, I apply this directly or because I'm the only one using my product. Maybe if you are sharing, you might want to think of ways to limit contacts. You can put so that you don't directly apply. That will be up to you to sort. Looking all set, right? Like I did not do makeup. Then lastly, using my fluffy brush, my powder brush, I just pick. I have a compact powder here. I just pick and then just dust off the excess product. Starting from one side, I brush up in circular motions. Again, pick. Always pick and dust. When you make sure one side is set, dust. Then we go to the other side. The powder is usually my last, but it's not a must. Can't practice makes perfect. So sometimes when you are done like this, you might want to use your mascara last. If you are the one that usually like tear after applying mascara. So I'm done. This is my finished look. How do I look? My everyday look. Within minutes, I'm all glammed up. See? Depending on the lipstick you want to use for that day, you can choose to use. So this is it. Now let me show you my final look when I'm done dressing. Ta-da! This is my finished look. So do you like? Do you love it? Do I look good? Do I look simple? Do I look nice? So this is my everyday makeup. Let me show you my full look for today. Am I clear enough? Let me see enough. So I'm set to go with my red. I red all through with a little touch of gold. Look. So I'm set to go. Thank you for staying tuned. If you have reached this stage of the video, you haven't subscribed. Why haven't you? Subscribe to this channel. Join this family. Press the like button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.